Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I do where I came from. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I'm here because I am going to do a boho lock look with some Lulutress locks that I have used multiple times before. I'm going to link here the other times that I have had the Lulutress locks in my hair in the past 5 or 6 months. When I first installed these, I knew they were going to be special. I knew they were going to work out well. I knew that I could wash them and rewear them, whether my hair was braidless or in braids, and they have not failed me. But the thing is, once you wear locks a few times, or passion twists rather, they start to get a little bit fuzzy. They don't look as new, but they always kind of just look like you've worn them before. So I've never done the boho look with the loose hair and the locks, so I'm going to try that today. And the type of hair that I'm going to try it with is the Freetress Deep Twist. Now, these locks and the hair are about 2 inches different in length. So I'm going to have to strategically place the hair to where it looks like it's the same length as some of my locks. It shouldn't be too hard. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Now, the locks are just sitting here in a pile on my bed, and I'll show you. It looks like a little puppy, a nice fluffy puppy. And I have rinsed them in vinegar water just so that they're kind of clean and I got like bacteria out of them or whatever. And I'm going to put them in my hair, all of these, minus a couple that have the jewels on them. And then I'm going to mix it with the Freetress hair. And I'll show you what that looks like as well. This is the Freetress Deep Twist. I just have an extra pack of this lying around. This is probably a year old, but I always keep the extra packs of hair just in case I need it or I need to fill in when I have certain styles. But Freetress Deep Twist is not my favorite when installed by itself, but I know adding to these passion twists is going to be so cute. So let's take a look at my braids. I washed my hair. I've had these braids in for 2 weeks. I went to India, who's the person who always braids my hair. I got her to braid my hair down because I knew I wanted to put those passion twists in 2 weeks ago. And I took them out. I washed my hair with the braids in. I oiled my scalp and then I just tied it down so that my braids would just be sitting flat and I could use them over and over again. So let's get started with this install. I'm going to do the back first, probably halfway up, and then I'm going to come back. All right, so I have about a fourth of the braids in, of the passion twist in. I've been skipping spaces in the back, but I've just been going up my braids, and I'll give you a closer look. And I'm skipping spaces about a finger space in between each passion twist. You can see on one of these here, it's a little bit used. It's fine. I'm not going to cut it. We go in Bohemian. We go in like laid back. It don't have to be super duper crisp, but I'm going to put a few more in and then I'm going to open my package of deep twist and probably between every 2 or 3 passion twists, just put a little tendril, a little something of hair so it kind of starts to give that boho vibe. Okay, so I think here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go on this little thing here. I'm going to go lock, lock, loose hair, lock, and just see what it looks like, okay? So here's how we do. I have a big section here that doesn't have any locks on it, so we'll just start right here. I'm putting my latch hook underneath. This hair is so perfect. Even if it's all bunched up and messed up like this, I just stick my finger in here, then I just twist it to make it tighter again. So opening up that hole, I don't know if y'all think that being a YouTube content creator is easy, but any little noise, I have to stop recording. So I've just about had it. Anyway, opening up the little hole, and I put the hair on the hook. And the important thing is to close the hook. You have to close the hook. Pull it through, and then stick the hook all the way in. Grab the end, or almost to the end. close the hook again, pull it through. And then once you start to pull it through, you can take this off and then just tighten it. So I'm gonna put another one right here. And I'm skipping big spaces. I can always go back and fill in, but I don't want to use too many locks or too much hair. Again, these will mess up like this, and that's fine. Just find the top part of the loop, put my finger in there, kind of pull it, and just turn it, and tighten it back up. These are really good reusable locks, honestly. And I keep saying locks, they're passion twists. Put it on. It's on the hook now. Close that hook. Pull it through. And you see my braids are a little bit loose, but that's okay. Put this on the end. Pull it through. If it gets a little bit bunchy, that's okay, because passion twists are actually meant to be that way. So I have two. Now I'm going to put this hook in, and I'm going to open up my pack of deep twist hair. Deep twist hair. This is the color 4, so it's like a dark brown. I just ripped this whole thing off, and it's held together with a little foil piece as well as a rubber band. I'm just going to go ahead and take both of those off. Sometimes you can pull it, sometimes you'll have to cut it, but I just pulled it and it worked out fine. And then holding the top, or maybe the bottom, pulling the rubber band off. So it's loose hair, it will get frizzy, but that's okay because we're only taking small pieces. I'm going to pull apart. It comes in like 3 bunches. So I'm taking off 1 bunch. And I'm just going to take about this much. When you separate hair like this, you have to pull quickly, because if you don't, it'll get way too frizzy. I actually like this, so it's good. If you want to put it back together, just kind of rub it a little bit. You can put curl mousse on it, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm going to put it on my hook, close it, pull it through, and then this time, instead of pushing the hook through and pulling the hair out, I'm just going to take the whole hook off. Hold this with my fingers and grab the hair, pull it through, and I'm going to do this 3 times. I'm going to loop this 3 times like that, and it's in there. So now I'm just going to stagger loose hair and passion twist, loose hair and passion twist until I get to this little section right here, and I'll come back. So I have a little bit of loose hair in, not a whole lot. I don't want it to be fuzzy, but we're just gonna play with it. But what I wanted to do was take some of the deep twist hair and actually, instead of putting it on my actual braid right here, I want to go about 1/3 of the way down the passion twist and put it through here, because the hair is a little bit shorter than the passion twist. So I'm going to find a spot, maybe like right here. And I think that'll be a good spot for me to try and put this hair on. It's going to be trickier because I don't have a sturdy base, but we're just going to have to see. And I'm just going to try to do a little knot situation like that. I actually like that so much better than coming from my hair. I think I really do like that. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Honey. All right. So, do I love this? Do I like this? I think what I'm going to do is take the ones that are connected to my scalp, take them out, and connect them to a passion twist. I think that's what I'm going to do. I do really love the ones that are connected to the passion twist in the middle. I hide this little knot by pulling it inside the passion twist, and then it's gone. But overall, I really like this look. I like a little hair in here. And honestly, I could go underneath and add some hair too, but I don't want it to get too tangled. What I'm missing is my hair jewels. I'm going to put some hair jewels on. I'll be right back. Yes, ma'am. She's giving you boho passion twist fabulosity. She's giving you hair jewels. She's giving you a good face. She's giving you earrings. Oh, yes. Oh, I really like this. This is super fun for me. I really want to go get some cord and wrap a few of my passion twists in the gold cord. I think that would really make it pop, but oh my goodness, just adding a little bit of hair and a little bit of jewels to these old passion twists really made it a whole new style. And now I can wear it for another week or two before I go get my hair done. This is good stuff. Having reusable hair is everything to me. It's everything. If I have to take hair out and cut it out and I can't use it anymore, I've wasted my money. But I've used these locks no less than 5 times since I got them. And when I take them out, I'm going to wash them and put them in a bag and save them for when I need to use them again. So this is the Lulutress hair, and I'm gonna make sure that I put the link in the description box as well as in this video so you can see exactly how much I paid for them, how many packs I use, and all that good stuff. But this is good. This is good. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a good day.